Transform your kitchen on a budget with 5 DIY makeover ideas. 1. Paint cabinets. Transform your kitchen by repainting or refinishing cabinets in a light color, providing a budget-friendly yet impactful facelift. 2. DIY backsplash. Revamp your kitchen with a peel-and-stick backsplash, offering an affordable and easily installable option with various stylish designs. 3. Update hardware. Give your cabinets a modern touch by replacing old knobs and handles with new, budget-friendly alternatives for an instant upgrade. 4. Vinyl floor tiles. Consider peel-and-stick vinyl tiles for a cost-effective flooring update, offering a wide range of designs while being easy to install. 5. Thrift store. Finds. Explore thrift stores or flea markets for budget-friendly kitchen accessories and unique pieces, adding character to your space without breaking the bank. If you reached to the end of this video, congratulations. It means you actually finish what you start. Follow us for more tips and tricks to transform your home.